Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can dress like Lilo and Dress to Impress without VIP. Okay, let's get into it guys. The outfit will look like this and I'm going to show you how I recreated this outfit. Okay, the first one guys, you can choose this hairstyle and you can color it black, and then you're going to go to this area and wear this fur skirt, and we're going to color it green. Okay, I'm just going to color all the selection with this green color. Okay, and then let's move to the top area, and I'm going to wear this top. I'm going to color it brown for the first selection, and for the next selection you can color it the same with your skin color. Okay, and then I'm going to wear this heel from the petal update, and then I'm going to color it green. Just make them all green like this. Okay, and the next one, we're going to wear this flower crown from the petal update and color them all green. Okay, I'm just going to make them all green for the roses and also the leaves and also the butterflies and the small flowers. Okay, the next one, we're going to go to the dressing room, and then we're going to wear Madoka set. I'm going to go to the currency item and choose this one. Okay, change the toggle to cups, and then we're going to make all green. Okay, I'm going to apply the same green color for all selections or all parts of this item. Okay, almost done. Okay guys, and this is the final result. Okay, and that's how we can recreate Lilo and Dress to Impress without VIP. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!